peachstools.com.
G'day guys, Pete from Peach Tools. Great to see you here again. Another beautiful day here. I'm still getting emails from you fellas. You guys that are new to welding and you're using flux core wire that you can't see what the hell you're doing when you're welding. Anyway guys, this is my #1 tip for you guys, for all you newbie guys. Do this and it'll improve your vision by about 1,000,000%. Anyway, same as usual, like my videos guys, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say good day to the old git down in the comments below. And let's see what I'm doing this week, eh? Yeah! So guys, when you're new to welding, you tend to weld like this, right? Well, that's what I did anyway. And you can't see here where your wire is. There's no way in hell you can see over the top of that where your wire is. But if you're using flux core, what I did to learn to weld was this. I just did this, guys. Just take the gas nozzle off. It won't weld without the gas nozzle, Pete, but it will because we're not using gas. We're using flux core wire in here. So we don't need a gas nozzle. So if I start welding now, what can I see? Look, I could see the end of my wire. I could see where I'm welding. Yee-haw! I might be able to actually stick some shit together. Anyway guys, that was just a little quick tip for you. That's what I did when I first started to learn. Hope it helps you out a little bit. So guys, this is us welding normally flux core. Can't really see what you're doing. Now this is my tip, guys. Can you see what you're doing now? So guys, that was a really short and sweet one that I was thinking about the other day, and I thought, what can help you guys just see what the hell you're doing? But you can only do it if you're using shielded wire like this, flux core wire. If you're using gas with you, then you're going to have to use your gas nozzle. But just take the bloody nozzle off, guys, and you can actually see the stick out on your wire. Pretty cool, eh? Anyway guys, same as usual, like my video, subscribe, come say hi below, and we'll see you next time, eh? Bye bye.
peachstools.com.